Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VISL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. We've got some more volume today, although it's hard to see because of that. So let me actually squeeze down the chart here, and you can see that volume did indeed, pick up a little bit here. So it's remaining respectable. It's just hard to see because of this monster volume that it had a few days ago. But with that being said, there's a couple of definitely key levels to watch going forward, and these are levels that anybody that understands charts, use charts, are going to be watching. And I make that comment because when there's lots of people watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very dynamic movements. So that's the two really main levels that I want to point out here. And the first area is up here at the dollar mark, and a dollar is that level that all the breakout players and everybody in between is going to be watching that level and wondering, can the price get back up above there? I mean, you go through the history of the chart and you can see that a dollar right there was the area that presented a problem. And then you fast forward to this afternoon, and once again, that was the level that presented a problem. So it's very clear that there's a lot of sellers sitting around at a dollar, which is not shocking. I mean, it's the round number of a dollar. So there's a lot of just psychology that goes into that too. But point here being that a dollar is going to be one of those levels that a whole lot of people are going to be watching moving forward. So if you're a breakout player, you know that there's going to be a lot of other breakout players watching those areas. And like I said, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. A break of a dollar, not guaranteed of anything, but it is definitely a rational thought to have that it very well could create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. And then on the flip side of things, as far as areas of support are concerned, the level to continue to watch going forward, right down there at 85 cents. So 85 cents, I'm not going to call it a do or die level, but yeah, I mean, if the price were to break below there, then that's starting to put the price down in areas that haven't been seen for quite a while. So again, not a do or die, but I would definitely consider 85 cents a pretty important level moving forward. But all in all, that dollar mark is definitely, public enemy number one moving forward. So let's see how the week continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.